going on, you guys? Frank 971-000 here. And today, state of Florida is under a state of emergency due to a tropical storm Colin. Well, this sucks, and that finally had one. Whoever lives in Florida mustn't be in protective cover. It's also going to hit. It's also heading to Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. My advice is must be in protective cover. Close all windows, lock all doors, get into a closet or bathroom, shut all curtains, protect your personal belongings. Get into a protective position. Must be prepared for the situation. This is not a drill. This is really happening. I'll show you on my radar. Alright, so here's my radar. Alright, it's loading. Shut the bitch. There's a computer screen, there's my TV. I also got it set up on there. Where those parts are, that's where it's heading. That's where it's heading right now. Just waiting for it. It's gonna take a few minutes to load. Just give it a few minutes. Alright, there's some red dots. Severe threat. There's some severe threat. I'm going to show you up close. Those red rectangles, those red geometric shapes, there's a severe threat. A possible tornado. There's Fort Charlotte, where my ex lives. Or my girlfriend, my ex-GF. Alright, so it's almost near Port Charlotte. But my location is here. The red is the heavy, which is probably a possible tornado, according to my radar. So that's where it's. But still, rain on the rain. The purple, it's the heavy, severe threat. Hey. Send this part, whoever's highlighting in purple, that's where the threat is. In parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And it will be off to in the Pacific Ocean. Still waiting on the thing to pop up where the rain is. But there are red dots for a possible tornado. Sorry, that's Facebook. I'm gonna pause real quick until I get this thing. Wait for this thing to. I'm gonna pause and come back. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is what it looks like now on myradar.com. We're definitely gonna get bad. This is the storm. It's in over my area. Yep. The following states where the storm is under a state of emergency. And Florida is under a state of emergency. You can hardly see the cities. And Angry Grandpa lives in Somerville, which is under a tropical storm. Well, that's what it looks like. And there's still some red geometric shapes still make a possible threat of a tornado. Stay tuned for more updates. If I lose power, I won't be able to do more vlogs. So I might lose power. So see you later, guys.